Welcome to RCCO On Air, Season 4. Let's explore owners' corporations and how they shape our communities.
M&J Monticello Pty and Owners Corporation PS 309930 2025 VCAT concerns responsibility for water damage between lots in an owner's corporation. The applicant owned a lot located directly below the second respondent's lot. The applicant claimed that water leaking from the second respondent's shower caused damage to his property, including mold and loss of rental income. Proceedings were brought against both the lot owner above and the owner's corporation. The applicant relied on Section 16 of the Water Act, 1989, and Sections 46 and 48 of the Owners Corporations Act, 2006. The key issue for the tribunal was whether there had been an unreasonable flow of water from the second respondent's lot, and if so, who was legally responsible for that flow. All experts ultimately agreed that the source of the water ingress was the shower in the second respondent's lot, not common property or a balcony area. Water testing showed active leaking beneath the shower base, and the tribunal accepted that a shower enclosure is required by building standards to be impervious to water. Under Section 16 of the Water Act, the tribunal found that water escaping from a shower in sufficient volume to cause damage to another lot amounted to an unreasonable flow of water. The tribunal rejected the argument that the leak was solely attributable to common property. While parts of the structure between the lots were common property, everything above the concrete slab, including tiles, waterproofing, and the shower base, formed part of the second respondent's lot. Importantly, the tribunal held that even if defects originated during original construction, Section 16(5) of the Water Act makes the current occupier liable if they fail to take reasonable steps to prevent the flow of water once aware of the issue. The tribunal found that the second respondent had been notified of the leak as early as 2023, but failed to engage a registered plumber or properly investigate and rectify the problem. That failure was a necessary cause of the applicant's loss. As a result, the tribunal ordered the second respondent to pay damages for loss of rent and ordered the owner's corporation and the second respondent to jointly arrange full replacement of the shower base in accordance with current building standards. The owner's corporation was authorized to step in if agreement could not be reached. Because liability was established under the Water Act, the tribunal found it unnecessary to determine liability under the Owners Corporations Act.